Okay, it's the entrance of Benstown. Welcome to Benstown's Missions Ruins Heritage Site. Opening hours 9 a.m. in the morning and closing 5 p.m. So there's a phone number, you can call them to book. If you are not Seychellois or GP holder, you have to buy ticket. So for ticket you can call this number and you can browse their site also, www.seychelles. Say Heritage, follow them on also Facebook, Instagram. Let's go. Okay. 100 dragon blood trees. Hi friends, welcome to my channel CBD. Right now I'm in Benstown. আমি এখন আছি Benstown, a historical place in Seychelles. আমি আপনাদেরকে এখন এমন একটা জায়গায় নিয়ে যাব যেখানে কুইন এলিজাবেথ এসেছিলেন এবং চা পান করেছিলেন। What a beautiful view, man. What is this, man? Oh. So, Queen Elizabeth II visit Benstown, 1939, 2017. She's died. Oh God. What a place, man. Hi friends, welcome to my channel CBD. I'm coming up beautiful locations as I can show you. I'm in Benstown now. This is a beautiful place and it's just historical place. And I can show you the birds there in the Benstown. The birds, I think it's the cup. It's the baby birds. Wow, so cute. Oh, what a beautiful birds. Okay, let's see the place. It's amazing. Oh my God. What a beautiful place, man. Hello. It's a beautiful location, Venns town. So we're doing the cemetery. We are going cemetery. Okay. It's a beautiful place. অনেক নিরাপদ একটা জায়গা। বন্ধুরা এখন hello friends, welcome to my channel Sabiri. So I'm going to visit now cemetery where the slave people are buried. I'm going to take you that place. Wait and see. Okay. বন্ধুরা এই সেই কবর যেখানে স্লেভদেরকে দাফন করা হয়েছিল। Friends, this is the place for the there's some coins in this graveyard. I don't know the custom, so respect these people as they buried. Cemetery Lexab, very successful minister. Today they are not there, but their memory and everything remain. You can imagine how people were fleeing from the Central Africa to here.